Hey guys, yesterday I had made a video showing you how to have unlimited accelerant on Apex Legends. This will fill up your meter bar over and over again without actually consuming it, and if you have the lifeline character, you can just keep throwing out care packages. You did the glitch where you used it but then dropped it immediately, so it kind of duplicated it. You're holding it, you're using it, but you're also putting it back on the ground so you can pick it up again and keep using it over and over again. Again, this is great with the lifeline character so that you can bring in all the care packages to get your team geared up. And people were asking, does this work with some of the other equipment? And yes, it does. For some of the other equipment like med kits and Pharaoh kits, it is extremely OP and EA is gonna need to patch this. Hopefully they will soon, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what people are doing to have unlimited health on this game. So this does work with the med kits, and this will heal you 100%. So it'll fill up your health bar completely. If you find one of these, go ahead and pick it up and then open up your menu so you can see it in your inventory and hover over it. Obviously, you're going to need health before this will work. If you have 100% health, you're not going to be able to do this, and there's no reason to do it anyways. This is really easy to do, and you only have to hit 2 buttons, but there is some timing involved between the 2 buttons, but it's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. All you're going to do is very quickly tap the use button and then hit the drop button, and you don't want to hit the use and drop too fast. There is some timing, so don't go too fast, and once you get the right speed, it will work. You'll know it works because the med kit's going to drop in front of you, and you're also going to be using it and filling up your health. If you don't see the med kit drop, then cancel it. You haven't done the timing correctly. If you do it correctly, you're able to fill up your health and you can pick up the med kit and use it again when you need it. This works the exact same way for the shield cells. There are some cells that will fill up your shield faster than others. This one right here only fills up 25 at a time. And same thing, hover over it, quickly use it, then hit drop, and if you do it right, it's going to drop in front of you, and you're also going to be able to use it and fill up your shield. For some reason, I had a harder time with the shield cells timing. I had an easy time with the med kits and all the other stuff, but there was something weird about this one. Maybe it was just me. Another health item you can find around the map are the syringes, and this only heals you 25 at a time versus the med kits that will heal you 100%. So this glitch is especially useful with the syringes so that you can just keep using them over and over again. But same thing, hit the use button very quickly, then after that hit the drop button. If you see that syringe being used and also on the ground, then you're set. And the best loot item that you can find is the Phoenix kit. This will refill your health 100% and also your shield 100%. Another thing you can do with this glitch is while you're refilling your shield and health or whatever and the item drops on the ground, your other teammates can pick it up and use it as well. They'll drop it and then you can pick it up and just keep going. I wanted to see how long we could stay out in the circle and take damage by using this glitch and just keep healing ourselves to see if we could make it to the end. It was pretty easy to stay alive out here in the circle by just handing off the Phoenix kits to each other and refilling our health. Towards the end, the circle starts to do large amounts of damage, and it's difficult to keep your health up because it takes a while for that Phoenix kit to refill you. With the Phoenix kit, it takes 10 seconds to refill everything. With the med kit, it's only 8 seconds, so it might have been a little bit better with a med kit. In this game here, we got 3rd place, and we weren't really trying to get 1st place. We were just seeing how long we could survive out here. For people that are really good at this and maybe have med kits and are on top of it, you might be able to get 2nd or 1st place. Hopefully EA is on top of this kind of thing and will get it patched. I don't really know how fast these guys work. This is a brand new game, so we'll just have to see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.